want it. No, want it. Wow! It's not fair!
Hey, what's going on here? Don't fight, my dear children. Sharing makes playtime happy. When we share, we both enjoy. I am going to share a brief story to help you understand. Look, the friends of Dinoboo. Let's see what's inside.
Wow, a dinosaur.
Dinoboo loves to play with friends.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful and happy place called Dinoboo.
In that lovely valley, many dinosaurs lived together as friends. They lived happily. Hello, I am Brachiosaurus. I have a very long neck, and I love eating leaves from tall trees.
Hello, friends. I am T-Rex. I am strong and brave, but I have a kind heart.
Hello, I am Triceratops. My 3 horns protect me, and I love eating plants.
Hello, I am Spinosaurus. I love catching fish, and look at the big sail on my back.
Hi, I'm Velociraptor. I am super fast. I can run very quickly.
In the beautiful valley of Dinoboo, all the dinosaurs stood together as friends. They were different, but together, they were strong and happy.
One day in Dinoboo, something unexpected happened. A strong wind began to blow across the valley. The little dinosaurs felt a little scared and
The wind was strong, but the dinosaurs were stronger.
Each one used their special strength to help. Together, they protected Dinoboo.
The wind was gone and the sun was shining bright. The dinosaurs felt happy and proud. They danced together and celebrated their friendship.
because we stayed together, we were able to overcome this problem. Unity is our strength. We must always stay together. This is the story of the Friends of Dinoboo. Unity is our strength. When we help and share, life becomes joyful.
Sorry, Chinu. Sorry, Manu. Let's play together. Yes, let's play. Okay, kids, you also play happily without fighting and stay united. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for Sketch Surprise. See you in the next video. Bye!